ma yemrem wo enra me share dwumadi bi ase concerning ora Luis Rubiales.
Okay.
Now Rubiales in sem na America no na make sense so say it is difficult to see him still as the Spanish Football Federation president say a be weekend way. And why train Endra FIFA charging no. FIFA charging ni we no. Entia enya from the RFEF ne say ahead of a meeting no meeting na say 12 minutes any.
Okay.
Meeting na say was Spain 12 p.m. which is 10 a.m. ewa ha. Enti meeting na say because but before the meeting Odinken share the 19 territorial president was Spain or football associations kakra war omo district no ohia omo ne omo din koma the report and anensem audito omo nim no ekeka ko se owura no e de ne dwumadi beto se on to aso bion as the RFEF president owura Luis Rubiales. Now Luther ne se all kono and the various newspapers war Spain Oma captain omo front pages ohia Sport, Mundo Deportivo, IS Marca, Super Deporte Omoyina no are reported independently on the state of opinion friend say Luis Rubiales. Enti Mundo Deportivo ni say no CFS over reported adios Rubiales. Na say bye bye Rubiales. El presidente de la RFEF se da pro ventido y que dimiter hoy en la asamblea. Na say the president of the RFEF and or the Betujawa assembly na say and I had the Nijumedi air tour on to us. Marca also reporting is saying Rubiales dimite Hoy ne end today.
Okay.
Spain can say ayer ne yesterday. Hoy today.
Okay.
Dimite ne resigns. Until Rubiales resigns today. Simply broken down on Marcus newspaper. And now so Oba ISSwa watro dimite and Rubiales picture at why or paper baby when any as I say this and genuine resignation and they say Luis Rubiales say called Sport and so what Catalonia and a report in here Rubiales presentara hoy su dimisión. Ne say Rubiales presents today the dismissal and I said ne resignation but how to watch say acabo nature it is over. Say acabo it is over. Intenya dia otwasubio na FIFA charge no according to FIFA disciplinary code 2023 no article 13 clauses 1 and 2 and na ma carbon wa ha mede atudwane nti o madaroma o mofa full screen na mesemaje mre na kind dia ma 1 like say associations and clubs as well as their players officials and any other member and or person carrying out the function on their club must respect the laws of the game as well as the FIFA statutes and FIFA's regulations, directives, guidelines, circulars and decisions and comply with the principles of fair play, loyalty and integrity too no and so for example anyone who acts in any of the following ways may be subject to disciplinary measures. 1 A violating the basic rules of decent conduct. Now this is where they believe so ora Rubiales or flouting basic rules of decent conduct and they say Spain aje world cup we na 7 opinion obe depicted bibi say also ne bear mem na chese ono so dia celebrating no enya ade a decent especially when you won Koda was stadium ho you won Maiwa was stadium ho enti o ye bibi sana it should not come out as indecent especially for Bia Woody Spanish Football Federation in him and then also indecent conduct no baako so etimi say wow player na o boneto wow player wo fam no wo kissing no without any consent and your consensual there omo feel say it is not a decent act intended he has been charged omo hwem na omo ne na dijuma sene emra no so esi eka then D no so it speaks more to it behaving in a way that brings the sport of football and or FIFA into disrepute. Luis Rubiales ain't just the Spanish Football Federation president, but also an executive council member of UEFA, and then also holding a position as UEFA club licensing, no, and also Edanoa. He's in charge of that committee. And to all such positions, nepe, in that position, no, should come out as something that fosters integrity and ma and so but the no omidi say entry he will be dealt with but even before he is dealt with he will resign until resigning from the position then he is no longer the Spanish Football Federation president. But the question is, there na beto no woni dibra wo ewo UEFA bibia anye no. He will continue to hold such positions unless UEFA so be charging na enya de obetimi ato aso edi ne dibra no. So as it stands, he's only resigning as a Spanish Football Federation president, and that is a story of Ora Luis